Hey, so if you've been paying attention to real estate at all the past few months, you know that the amount of homes available right now is low, which makes it really hard to find and win the right house for you. And it could be super discouraging when you feel like you just can't find the one. But not to fear, the perfect home for you is out there. You might just have to build it. So this option isn't one that a lot of people think of off the bat, especially first-time home buyers. But depending on your priorities and what you want from a home, building a home could be exactly what you're looking for. So let's go over the pros and cons of building versus buying. So first, let's talk money. Building a home will typically cost you more than buying an existing home, though there are some exceptions to that rule in our current market. But when you build, you don't have to worry about renovations or hidden costs hiding in the walls of the house. Plus, your home will be built to 2021 standards, which means you'll pay less in utilities because your home will be more energy efficient. Next, location, location, location. New homes are usually built on the outskirts of cities and towns because that's where the empty lots are. So that means if you want to live in a super central location where you can walk downtown in 5 minutes, building probably isn't a great option for you. But if you don't mind being a bit more out of the way and in a newer area, consider building. And that brings us to the time aspect. Building a home takes, time. If you need to buy a house like yesterday, an existing property is the best bet. But if you can wait 12 to 18 months before moving in, building could be perfect for you. And of course, the main draw of building is that you get to have a say in just about everything design-wise. Want emerald green cabinets in the bathroom? It's yours. Want an office with French doors off the living room area? You got it. When you buy an existing house, you have to make those changes yourself. And if you want to change the floor plan of the house, you're probably in for a big headache. Building is a great choice for someone who knows exactly what they want, who doesn't want to settle for something that just kind of works, who has flexibility when it comes to location, and who has patience to wait to get it. If that's you, then seriously consider building. I know of several amazing builders in town who are currently putting together some gorgeous communities, and I'd be happy to connect you. And if building just doesn't seem like the best fit for you, then great. There are beautiful existing homes out there that are waiting to be yours. So if you want to talk more about finding or building your dream home, just shoot me a DM.